Hello from Bento&co. Today we're going to be trying out one of the curries that we have available on our shop. We have 5 different types of curry roux available. We have 4 from the Golden Curry brand, ranging from mild all the way to extra spicy. We also have one from the Vermont Curry brand. Today we're going to be trying this one, the spicy one. I'm excited to try it as I really like spicy foods. So let's give it a try. That's really good. And the spiciness, it kind of creeps in a little bit. It comes in after you start eating, but it's really good. I like it. That was so good. The spiciness wasn't too intense, so it's just the perfect amount. So today, I tried the spicy version of Golden Curry. We have this one and these 4 other types available on our website. So go check it out. This was so good. Is there any more?